Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 30th of October. Let us go into your messages. We're clarifying your tarot, Cancer. That sounds weird. We are clarifying, that's what it says, clarifying tarot. We're doing a clarifying tarot spread. That's what it is. We're going to see what you're confused about and what is the outcome, how you can navigate this, okay? What do you need to know right now, Cancer? What you need to know? What you need to know? That's what you need to know. You need to know that there's a Leo watching you. Could be an Aries or a Sagittarius, but I'm getting this man to watch you. You know him? You know the lion? You know the tiger? You know this man is him. So him a watch you. You should know this, okay? What is alkaline? Alka, I'm trying to talk to you and you're not trying to talk to me. I don't understand Alka. I can't bother. Alkaline. Oh, I was hearing Alka, me hear say you want one girl to move somewhere. Me getting you like a girl, you don't want the girl know say you like her, you want she move somewhere. Me getting you want the girl move somewhere. I don't know what you want her to do, Alkaline. What I was trying to get, Alka, I'm trying to talk to you. Alka dick big. Alkaline look like him dick huge. Alka, you feel like you could ever be faithful to one girl? Come know if you're not for 4 days to stick you. But Alka, just ask you, please. When I do it Alkaline, I love Alkaline. But Alkaline intimidate me a lot. And in fact, I never see Alkaline in person before. I see Bean and man, I never see Cartel either. I see so much celebrities working at CVM. I never meet Alkaline in person. Alka, but I don't want to meet him and him just feel like me a fan. I don't want that. I don't want to see him and be like, hi, you can take a picture. Alka, let me be your spiritual advisor. I can advise. Someone love Alkaline? I don't know what about him someone like. I don't know. I just like him. I feel like low-key, like, I don't know. Let me stop fantasizing over the other people. Man, I don't even know if I have kids. If I have kids, who am I have? Why am I have kids? I just love Alkaline. Alka, I'm trying to talk to you and you're trying to talk to me. I don't understand. Anyways, let me stop. I was trying to find a song, but I not go. Sorry, I got off. You see, I'm gonna one chance, I'm gonna look at the picture. I'm getting Alkaline. No, I'm joking. I'm getting Sagittarius, okay? So I'm getting what you need to know. You need to know that this person it could be a celebrity or an athlete, okay? But somebody, them tall though, somebody coming towards you. What do you need to embrace? The moon card. You don't know why they're coming towards you. I'm getting, I don't know if you know the guy. Maybe you don't know him. But I'm getting the guy hiding my identity. He's hiding who he is. I don't want you to figure out who he is. I don't want you to figure out like that him been watching you. I don't know what this is. I'm getting an Alkaline. I'm getting anything you think I happen to your Alkaline and do it. You hear? I'm sorry. But what do you need to release? And him dick huge. You need to release him. Alkaline, you need to release. If you're not fuck for 4 days, good listen me. Alkaline, you don't fuck for 4 days. Why? You're sick. Vomiting. Because you don't fuck. You need to stop it. You need to release the penis. You need to release cooking. So Alka, I know you like, but no, you have to practice semen retention, sir. I know that you're Sagittarius, which means that you're actually very enlightened. Popular to the contrary of you calling women germs, you are enlightened. Me getting you fuck enough, you fuck till you can't fuck no more, you fuck every girl is the same to you, cause you fuck too much. You fuck too much, you get lame. You fuck Twinkle, you never give Twinkle the song. That's why every girl you fuck after Twinkle, you cannot come properly, cause Twinkle was the only you're supposed to be fucking. Either way, getting you need to practice semen retention. And you might be like, why do I have to do that? I'm Alkaline. I am Earthland Bartley. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Earthland Bartley. I enjoy reading, singing, and dancing. In the future, God's willing, I will be a doctor or research scientist. Thank you. Right? Orland Bartley, you can research me. You can be a doctor to me if you want, but all I'm saying is you need to practice celibacy now. Or I'm getting your hits upon hits upon hits, where you usually dash out, it not happen no more, because when you used to write good song, you weren't fucking. So now you need to learn that you need to stop. You have to practice semen retention, men. You have to do that. That is why I don't every week, I fuck every couple of weeks, because I have to practice retending my, even though half of the man don't make me come, but still, I have to, you think I could be trying to do what I need to do, running off a nigga, having a boyfriend? No, do I want a boyfriend? Boyfriend is awesome, but the only reason why I'm gonna clear my man is because I want to use him sexually and probably financially. That's the only reason that would lead me to clear my man. Otherwise, I got shit to focus on. I can't focus on man right now. You're mad. So you can't focus on women right now. Or me getting somebody pregnant. Me getting have a lot of baby mothers, and people don't know how much baby mothers you have. You need for alkaline. You need for alkaline that can, so you don't can get anybody pregnant. So you need to, what you need for release? You need for release sex. You practice semen retention now. You don't come anymore. Even if a girl, I don't know how good you are, because I've met men that I have participated in where you literally almost have sex but you don't come. You never release the sacred energy, but you can foreplay, you can do what you want to do, but you don't come. It's practicing tantric sex also. Me getting, yeah. But be careful, because if you think you're a boss trying to get close to coming and stop and close to coming and stop, blue balls are going to eat out your blood clot side. You hear? So you need to be careful. I'm not telling you to go close to coming and don't go close to coming and don't. I'm not telling you to do that. Unless you're a professional. C'est moi. Mais, if you're not a professional, c'est moi, it's gonna hurt your stomach. You're gonna get blue balls, or you're gonna feel fucked up. You're gonna have that pain in your stomach where you want to come and you don't come. Yeah. Otherwise, no sex. You need to cut off sex now. You reach a time in your life, you try every pussy except mine. So right now, you need to lay off of the pussy and you need to celibate for a moment. Let's not say celibacy. Celibacy sounds like some bitch who had 4 baby daddies and decides that she don't want to get her pussy on the next date anymore after having 4 kids. That's celibacy. You're practicing semen retention. You have to practice semen retention. What's next for you? The Ace of Swords, and you're going to be clear. You'll start to see clearer. You're going to start knowing people are lie. Your communication skills are going to get better. You'll start getting more inspiration for how to write lyrics. That's why. I'm getting the reason why the pen now works because your penis is. So if you put your penis down, I don't think alkaline penis can go down. Alkaline penis look like it's huge even if it don't erect it. So put the penis down and take up the pen. But you cannot take up both. Usually you like, I love you everything. I love you everything. You give me vibe, make me sing. I love you everything. Your style is everything and you're full up of the style. Bring me, I love you every time, right? I know those things you got from sex. You can tell a song name with alkaline. Like you aspire, like what inspire you for write song based on sex. Ocean Wave was not a sex song. And Boss Favorite Boss, Don Favorite Don, that sound like you say stop fuck. Or yeah, one girl. Boss Favorite Boss, Ocean Wave, that sound like enough at all, or it sound like a one girl yeah. The other song them sounds like your past fucking relationships or you're currently fucking. If me not fuck for 4 days, goodly sick me. One time I never two, but now I'm picky. Jesus, one of the 10th brother know would have fit me. If I don't fuck my wedding, if I not eat Krispy Kreme for 4 days, goodly sick me. Let us go ahead. So you get it? You cannot use the penis and the pen at the same time. You can't use your tits and the pen at the same time. There's a reason why Michael Jackson was the way he was. You notice that who other than Elizabeth, what's your name? Elizabeth something. Who else Michael did have sex with? Michael, I don't even, allegedly Michael didn't have kids by normal sex. He used a donor. Michael was so weird with sex. You know what's that? He was so weird with sex and they call him a pedophile because he wouldn't fuck. Michael never had bitches on a roster. The most missing Michael get close to a girl was, do you remember the time when we fell in love? And that's another thing, Michael did like black girl. They did not like this. Elizabeth Taylor was a white woman who did very, very much like, but Elizabeth Taylor did older than him, and Michael looked like him, he like older women. Otherwise, Michael looked like him not black girls. Because he was a black man. And even when he got white, he was still fucking with black girls. So you're whitewash him, you MK Ultra, and you're changing skin color, and he still wouldn't leave niggas alone. Still wouldn't leave them alone. Who did that nigga kill him? Was his doctor a nigga? His doctor was a nigga. His doctor was a nigga. Murray, I don't know who me hate blood clot more. I don't like you more or fucking P. Diddy. I don't know who I like more right now. Bro, you're the guy who God did rise to the stars that you would have been the guy to kill Michael Jackson. You know that? Him Grenada and American. If you come from Grenada, you don't take blood clots, yo. You don't take Grenada. No, I'm leave Grenada alone. Because I might have to run, we go Grenada one day. Him Grenada and American. He was a cardiologist. He was a heart surgeon. That's why you kill him. You sacrifice his heart. This is it, right? That was it. Why Murray? Me not lie. You see, that's why even though people will, harass me anywhere I go, I know I'm not the guy who killed Michael Jackson. So I'm great. I can continue living my life. Fuck them all. So fuck them all. Alcohol, fuck them all. Guru. Fuck what the haters them have to say. If them wanna die, where you there. Them talk about alcohol like every day. Him talk about them like not one day. Frost. Everybody just a follow him. Yo, me can't believe it's so easy. Him have him God ups like every day. And dumb for the cheapest day. And right now him need a key for the city. One of the Kardashians know what I fit him. If him not for 4 days, goodly sick him. One time him never used to, but now him picky. No trouble, wanna trouble you. Where's Kerry? Why Kerry wasn't here to oversee all of this? Before you come in a danger zone, tell Kerry if there's nothing she need for no. Speak now or forever just hold your own. By the way, Kerry think every girl I use it here. I'm just saying, any girl I deal with Kerry, you're not gonna like them. Awards. I'm just telling you. Because now you're gonna bring the girl at the award show with you, not Kerry. Kerry's okay. I have jealous siblings, I understand. For the Hermit, the Sun card and One Way. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Goodbye.